Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make glove spray for amazing hair growth. Keep watching. Let's get started. So guys, this is the amount of glove I'll be using. So glove is very good for hair. Glove is an amazing product for a rapid hair growth. So if you have a longer and full hair, you can use much more. Okay, so but for me, I have a shorter hair, so that is why I am using this little amount of glove. Okay, so if your hair is so long and full, so you can use double of it. So I don't measure any of my product that I'm using. Okay, so guys, this is my clean sterilized jar. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring the glove into this jar. Okay, so I'll just pour it everything inside like so on this video. So after that guys, I'm going to be adding a warm water. Okay, this water is not so hot and is not cold as well. Okay, so I'm just going to add it to this level, then I will cover it. Yeah, I'm going to cover it. So guys, you can see how it looks. So this is very good. So I'm going to keep this for 24 hours. Okay, so you can see how it looks. So after 24 hours, then you will not see the color of the glove. So guys, this is after 24 hours, which is 2 days. So you can see how the water is now much brown, and this is the before and this is the after. You can see how the color looks. It has really changed a lot. So this is amazing hairspray. Okay, you can see how it looks. So guys, now it's time to open it, and I'm going to sieve out the glove from it. So this is my jar and my sieve, which I'm going to use to sieve out the water. So for now, the water is what I need. So you can still keep the glove to make your glove deep condition, so don't pour it away. And I'll be adding one tablespoon of extra virgin oil. So you can add any oil of your choice. You can add coconut oil, mint oil, any oil you have at home you can add. So I'm going to give it a stir. I'll make sure I stir it very well until the mixture is mixed together. Okay, so I'll keep on stirring until it's well dissolved. So guys, here is my spray bottle, which I'm going to be pouring the mixture into this my spray bottle. Okay, so this is what I'll be using to spray my hair. So guys, now I'm going to pour the mixture into the spray bottle like so. So after that, I'm going to cover it and shake it again. So I'm going to be shaking it like this so that the water and the extra virgin oil will be well mixed together. So this glove water is very good for hair. You can give it a try. Thank you all for watching. If you love this video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the bell notification so you won't miss out anytime I upload a new video. I will see you again on my next one. God bless you all. Bye bye.